everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. How are you guys doing? I'm super excited. We are going to be reviewing the brand new Mary Kay skincare line that launched, and I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and of course turn on your notification bell button so that you get notified every time I upload. Okay, so ladies, I'm super excited. We have a new skincare line by Mary Kay, and it's called the Mary Kay skincare line. Yes, it is. So basically this new skincare line that we have now is replacing the botanical set. Okay, the botanical set or the botanical effect set, depending on the one you're familiar with. But this new beauty is what is replacing that whole skincare line. Okay, so I'm super excited. So this new system comes in a 4-piece set. Okay, you have your cleanser, your toner, your exfoliator, and your moisturizer. Okay, so it's super simple and it's very clean. Okay, so this set is more catered to your teens and tweens, but again, anyone can use this. It's great for anyone with sensitive skin or just anyone really who just wants something simple and is not really necessarily concerned with anti-aging benefits, basically, you know what I mean? So that's who this line will be best suited for. So this set comes in 2 formulas. Okay, we have a mattify set as well as a hydrate set. Okay, a hydrating set. So your mattify set will be for your combo oily girls like me, okay, who want, you know, that nice mattify, that, you know, that nice balance of the oil production. That would be who this set will be for. And then we have the hydrate set, which of course will be more for the dry or normal girlies, okay, or guys. Absolutely, guys can use the system too. It is fragrance free, non-comedogenic. It is dermatologist tested and has also been tested for allergies as well as irritancy. Okay, so it's not going to irritate your skin. So I love it. What do you guys think? Okay, sound off in the comments, drop in the comments. Do we not love this packaging though? Like, are we not here for this packaging? How cute is it? It's super clean, super fresh. I'm actually very obsessed with the packaging. I'm a little jealous, I won't lie. It's so beautiful. It really is so beautiful. I have combo oily skin, so the set that I will be using is a mattifying cleanser. The cleanser is lightweight. You can see right there on your screen. The mattifying cleanser is super gentle on the skin. It effectively removes impurities and excess oil to help reduce shine. It leaves your skin feeling fresh and soft, and it's not tight or dry. Plus, it's gentle enough to use twice a day, okay, which I do highly recommend to wash your face twice a day, okay? And the hydrating cleanser, as you can see, is more of a cream cleanser, and it prepares your skin for the next step. And after each use, your skin feels hydrated, fresh, and soft, and not tight or dry. So I wanted to give a quick shout out to these 2 products, okay? The balancing toner and the exfoliating scrub are universal products. And what does that mean? That simply means that they can be used by both skin types. So whether you have normal to dry, combination to oily, this will be the same product for all of us. Okay, so shout out to Mary Kay for that. I absolutely love that. And I have tried this toner. I love it. I do. I don't really use toners, very honest with you, in my routine, you know, but I've tried this a few times and I love it. It feels like water. I don't feel any stinging or burning. It's not like it's not an astringent, you know what I mean? So I noticed when I use it, my skin didn't feel like super tight or anything. So I love it. The next product I'm going to use is the exfoliating scrub. The exfoliating scrub is a super gentle pearlescent scrub that features spherical exfoliants to help polish away dead skin cells and unclog your pores to prepare the skin for better absorption of your next routine. It is safe to use twice or 3 times a week, depending on your preference, okay? So this exfoliating scrub is a bit gritty, but fine at the same time. I love it. You definitely want to do it like at the sink or in your bathroom. You're gonna want to rinse those beads off. So next up is a balancing toner. So this toner is super gentle, it's refreshing, and it has antioxidant properties that helps to restore your skin's balance without drying it out. It doesn't leave any residue behind or any lingering impurities. Plus, it's gentle enough to use twice a day. So as you've noticed, the new Mary Kay skincare line doesn't come with an eye cream, so you would have to select an eye cream from one of our other lines. And you have these 3 beautiful options to choose from. We have the Time Wise Firming Eye Cream, we have the Time Wise Repair, and we have the Time Wise Miracle Set. So definitely pick an eye cream that works best for you or for your teen. And you definitely want to apply that with your ring finger. So next I'm going to apply the mattifying moisturizer. It is fast absorbing, non-greasy gel cream. It has antioxidant properties as well as it provides your skin with the necessary daily hydration morning and night. It's lightweight, gentle formula. It is oil mattifying, so your skin will be left looking beautifully matte, and is designed for, again, combo skin. So another important thing I want to talk about is adding your protection step. As you've noticed, this new Mary Kay skincare line doesn't come with a sunscreen. So Thankfully, we have a brand new mineral sunscreen by Mary Kay. It has broad spectrum SPF 30. So this would be great to add to your Mary Kay skincare line for your teen or tween, or again for yourself, because you definitely want to be protecting your skin as you go out daily. You know what I mean? Regardless of where you live, you need sun protection factor. You need protection from the UVA rays and the UVB rays in the environment. So super important. All right, ladies, so there you have it. We are done. Sound off in the comments what you think about this new Mary Kay skincare line. If you have a beauty consultant, reach out to her to shop for your Mary Kay skincare line for your tween or your teenager at home, okay, or for yourself. If you want something super easy, super quick, you know, and just, you know, great for sensitive skin, this would be your go-to. I will tell you, it really has no fragrance, like nothing. Okay, so if my girl is out there who likes zero fragrance, y'all need to rejoice. This one's for you. All right, guys, so that is it. Thank you for watching today. I want to say welcome to all our new subscribers. We are counting down to 10,000 subscribers. We are well on our way. So thank you to everyone who subscribed. Thank you to everyone who's joined the family, who share, who like, who comment. I appreciate you all so much. So definitely hit the like, comment, and share button. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified when I drop my next video. We're going to play with some color. All right, guys, thank you for watching today. I'm super grateful for each and every one of you. And I'll see you on the next one.